Welcome back to Check It Out with Rich. Let me ask you a question. Are you like me? When you stop for fuel or stop for a break when you're pulling your camper, you get out, you give it a walk around, check everything out, and then you grab your IR gun and you shoot your hubs to see what the temperature is, to see if your brakes are overheating or if your bearings are heating up? Well, if you are, Haloview, with collaboration from John from Tires on the Road, has come out with a new product. And it is the ATS, Axle Temperature Sensor. And this will hook up to BT7 TPMS, BT7 TPMS Solar, and a BT10 TPMS. Now, you have to contact them to make sure that your monitor is compatible with this. If not, if it does have a TPMS, they do have a download that you can download onto your monitor, and that's exactly what I ended up doing. I think like last spring, they started programming the monitors for this, so if yours is before that, you may have to reach out to them. Now, what's nice about this is it gives you instant temperature readings of both sides of your axle. So when you're driving down the road, you got your monitor there with your cameras, your TPMS, and then also your ATS. All in one package, not taking up a whole dash. It's just right there, or if you have the BT10, it'll be up on your rear view mirror. Another nice thing about this is it will work with your MORRIDE IS system and your CURT TCS axles. Another advantage of having this is, let's say your brakes are hanging up or you have your gain set too high. It'll start to heat up. You'll see it on the monitor. You know there's an issue. You can get out and check it. Another added bonus is if you're going down a steep hill, you can see if your brakes are heating up on you also. Okay, let's go over what all came in a box. Number one that came in is your sensor itself. And then it also came with CR1632 batteries, so you don't have to worry about replacing them. And they recommend changing them out once a year. And then it also came with extra screws and O-rings. And then you have extra heatsink pads. I'll explain why here in a minute when we go to do the install. And then your sensor itself, it's on a hose clamp, as you can see, and it also slides on a hose clamp. So wherever you position it, it'll make it easier for you to tighten it down or get it off. You take this blue covering off before you mount it. And then this is your heatsink, this pad here. And we're going to take this apart and see what's inside. Okay, I got the 4 screws out. They are pretty small. I don't know how well you can see that on there. But yeah, they are pretty small, so that's why they give you extras. Okay, so now you're going to take the cover off. And if you know anything about the Haloview TPMS system, you can see that that looks just like the tire sensor. The only difference between this and the tire sensor is this is calibrated differently for how it reads heat. So you can't interchange them at all. So we're going to take the top off here. And then you can see there's an O-ring here. So that's why they gave you extra O-rings. And then your batteries here. Okay, and the body on it, which would be this part here, seems like it's aluminum. So it's pretty sturdy. At least it's not plastic. It's going to crack or anything like that. Okay, and like I was saying about the hose clamp, you can move it inside here. The other nice thing is, since it's so big, you have a lot of cranking to do to get it to tighten up. You can go ahead and cut off what you don't need. So once I got this one on, I just snipped off the rest, and then I'm going to do the same to this one before I put it on. But yeah, it is adjustable. Hose clamp itself is a 6mm. 1/4 inch is a little loose. It'll work, but you're better off just using a 6mm.